Welcome back. In Surah Al-Fatiha, Allah says, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most compassionate, the most merciful, Quran 1-3. These two names carry the essence of who Allah is. Ar-Rahman describes His mercy that encompasses everything, believer or disbeliever, human or animal. It's the mercy that gives us breath, warmth, and life itself. Ar-Rahim, on the other hand, is His special mercy reserved for the believers, a love and compassion that continues into the hereafter. Ibn Kathir explains that every blessing we experience flows from Allah's Rahmah, and even the trials we face are wrapped in hidden mercy. So when life feels unfair or heavy, remind your heart, you're still living within His mercy, always. Take a moment today to say, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, with full awareness. It's not just words, it's an invitation into the compassion of the one who never stops caring for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow for more Islamic reminders.